Good morning, everybody. So my next video here is on my morning routine, and making breakfast for Milo is of course part of it. I do not give him you can hear him in the background, seed-based diet. He mostly eats vegetables, fruits, and pellets. So I give this to him every morning. I know it looks like a lot, but I only put a little bit of each in there, and I try to give it to him fresh. So I give him 1 or 2 slices of cucumber. Cut the front part off that's old. I know, you're here, you see me. Okay, so he gets some cucumber. I just made this in the microwave. It's a piece of sweet potato, so it's still warm. He likes it nice and warm. Okay, and I know that he doesn't eat all this, obviously, but you have to give them a lot of variety and choices, so to be able to pick from things. This is a carrot. I like these actual carrots. This has all been washed. He does like these better than the already peeled tiny ones, and I heard once that they have like chlorine on it or something. I always buy everything organic if I possibly can. Sometimes it's not available, so I put like 3 little pieces of that in here. Then he loves corn, so this was also made in the microwave, and so it's nice and soft for him to eat. I like to give his vegetables cooked. Okay, so he gets a piece maybe this big. Okay, this is zucchini, again organic. I got you, buddy, I got you. All right, so 2 little slices of that. And then this is yellow squash. So 2 little slices of that. Okay. Then these are sugar snap peas, also been washed. These are stringless, so they're safer. And so I just put those in there. And these are radishes. He loves radishes, so I put 1 of them in here. Then I buy this organic mix 50-50 blend of spring salad and spinach. So I give him like maybe a handful of that in here. Okay. Then he likes yellow peppers, so I just give him a slice maybe this big. Again, most of it ends up on the bottom of the cage, but he has the variety, so he has the opportunity to try it. Then I do use a frozen mix of broccoli, cauliflower, peas, and carrots, and I do put in some noodles because I do need their carbs too. Obviously, this was warmed up in the microwave. This looks like a huge bowl, of course, for a small bird, but again, most of it ends up on the floor. So, and this is my birdie bread. I will make a video on how to make this. It has all kinds of good things in it, and he loves it. I warm it up so it's nice and warm for him. He likes it. So there you go. That would be his breakfast. And then for his afternoon snack, he gets a much smaller portion of fruit, because fruit is not as good for them. Okay, I think we're good, and I will give that to him now.
boy? Hmm? Am I a good boy? Yeah?